Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I tried to make one outgoing call via my Geo 4G network, but unfortunately my call is not connecting and it takes more time. So after the some time it only shows call entered. So how to fix your Geo network incoming and outgoing calls problem by using your Android mobile. So first of all open your Android mobile settings. So in settings section you can locate call settings. So here I try to use the search bar to navigating this call settings and then click to open it. Now in this section you can press that first option, SIM cards and mobile networks. Friends, one thing remember it, if you make voice calls using your Jio 4G network, always you can click to enable this option, Volt enabled. So you can click to enable it. So once you enable this option, just go back to settings main menu. So also reset your mobile network settings. So how to do it? So now in this settings section you can go to more settings and then go to network settings reset. So here I try to select Geo 4G and then click to reset settings option and it is located at the bottom and then click to OK. So finally my settings are resetted successfully. So once this process is completed, now once again you can go back to settings main menu. So next step is you can select the network type as automatically. So how to select it? So here you can go to SIM cards and mobile networks and then press Geo 4G SIM card and it is placed at the top. So in this section you can choose prefer network type and then click to open it. So if you are using Geo 4G, always select this option, prefer LTE settings, and the first one because it is very important one to make the voice calls. So once done this overall process, just close all the settings and then restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, finally once again I try to check it if this method is works or not. So and then you can see my call is now connected successfully and this trick is works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily fix your Geo network incoming and outgoing calls problems by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.